Hey guys, it is T. Renee Smith here, business scalability strategist, helping you to scale up your business and quality of life. It is time for T. Renee's Tuesday Think Like a CEO tip. Let's get it. How many of you guys want to be a boss? And I'm not just talking about a boss in name only. I am talking about a boss in your bank account. One of the challenges that many small businesses have is financing the growth of your business. If you're working with a larger business-to-business corporation or government client, chances are that they're going to give you payment terms, which simply means that they will pay you net 30, net 60, or net 90 days after you have performed the work. Now, as a small business, that could be detrimental to the growth of your company because you need cash on hand to pay your suppliers, to pay the vendors that you work with. And so what this will end up doing is you will have a cash flow shortage. So one of the things that I talk about in my book, The CEO Life, is the Now account. The Now account is a program that is targeted towards small businesses to really help bridge the gap of the time that they invoice a client until the time that they get paid. So setting up a Now account is very, very easy. You can go to their website, nowcorp.com, for more information, but there are really just a couple things that you need to have. Number one, you need to make sure that your business is incorporated. Number two, you need to make sure that you have a business account. And number three, you want to make sure that you have a business credit card in your name. Now, the Now account is a little bit different than factoring because their prices are much lower, and it's a little bit different than getting a short-term working capital loan, which a lot of times is based on your credit. The wonderful thing about the Now account is that it is based on the credit worthiness or the ability to repay for your client. So if you're working with a larger business-to-business or corporate or government client, it is a wonderful opportunity. I know when I first started my company, I started it on credit. So for the first few years of my business, my credit was shot. And I could not qualify for a loan. I couldn't qualify for a business credit card. So this is an alternative option for you. And even if you don't have a business credit card, there are several out there like the Capital One Sparks card and even some other cards where you can prepay the cards or whatever. So it is important that you start building your capacity to finance larger contracts. And the Now account is a great way to do it. So I discuss all of this in my book, The CEO Live. So if you have not gotten your copy, make sure that you click in the link below to get it today.